So that's pretty much all I have printed right now. And as I go breaking everything, so stay tuned. I will have more as soon as I get more things printed, more things welded together, and we'll see how we go from there. And also, I'm using ArmorSmith to scale all my pieces. Never used it before. I've had it for a while, so it's working pretty well so far. You just got to be careful with your measurements and everything. So, thank you for watching. Please, if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.